So while we are looking for jobs and we are applying for the job, we need to prepare for the interviews also. You can look into the playlist section in oil and gas platform. This is a very good tool provided by the YouTube where we can look into or all the videos available on this platform in the form of playlists. So here also we have organized in a systematic manner. All the videos have been organized in the form of playlists. You can look into one single consolidated playlist where all the videos are available. Then topic wise playlists are also available. For example, column piping, okay, plot plan, design basis, all these topics have been covered. Then 2-minute funda series where fundamentals have been discussed in 2-minute short videos. Then codes and standards, all the codes have been discussed. ASME 16.47, 16.5, okay, API 600, 601, all these standards are available in detail. You can look into it and prepare for the interview. Then self-improvement topics are there where we have discussed how to write an email, how to write a covering letter, okay, all those topics are available in this playlist. Then interview question series where all the questions have been listed along with the answers in the form of 10 question series. One video will contain 10 questions and you can get the answers, and you can prepare for the interview. So along with searching the job, we need to prepare also for the piping interviews. So keep watching, stay tuned. So many other videos for piping related videos and job related videos are on the way. So see you in the next part.